What's up guys, today on Creek Life we're going to run you through the install of the Acerbis, however you want to say it, bark busters on the 2020 CRF 250l. This is not a how-to video as much as a tips and tricks to show you how it fits video. Alright guys, today we're going to be putting on the Acerbis X Factory handguards, the ProTaper pillow top grips, and hopefully the PowerMadd mirrors. We'll see how they fit. That's kind of a toss-up. On the 2020 CRF 250l. I got my dad and my uncle helping me for recording's sake. We're going to show you a quick way to take off grips, poke a hole in the end of the grip with a Phillips screwdriver or whatever, razor blade, anything.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Hook to it. Put it in. Whoop.
Now it's got a cap on.
Oh yeah. That one was a little rugged, but it works. Next step, grind off the end of the grip. Hope you know what you're doing. Yeah. It's a 3-man process. Oh yeah, baby.
Good? A little bit more if you can. Okay.
Oh, it blew up. Where the f did that come from?
Oh man, blew your canoe out.
Hey. Those good looking grips though. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. I didn't blow her out like an old rubber.
You blew an old rubber out like that?
Yeah, once or twice. Alright guys, so we got the Acerbis handguards installed, X Factories. They look great. The color match is great. They might be a little darker, just a touch darker, but it's not a noticeable difference. Pillow top grips are also installed. The PowerMadd mirrors, I'm going to hold off on. I'll show you guys in a minute the reason why. I love the carbon fiber look of the plastic there. You can't tell that in the pictures when you buy them, but when you get them, it's carbon fibered out, son. You got good clearance with your levers on each side. These brackets, you can flip them either way. If you flip them upside down, the only problem is you can see that bolt hole up top, which is why we chose to go this route. And you just got to wiggle it around the cables. I got the 7/8 bar, so we had to use the adapter. Still got room for my phone mount. And like I said, or if I didn't say, these Renthal bars are very similar to the stock bars, if not identical as far as the layout. So if it fits these bars, they will fit stock bars. Yeah, but I love how they look. Adds protection, and they look awesome. Here's the PowerMadd mirrors. They're made to go on the bark buster and fold in on the PowerMadd brand, and they say they work with the Cycras also. With these Acerbis, now if you had it folded down right here, and I could hold it out about a ½ inch, it actually goes along perfectly like it's made for these. And then you could fold it up and get it to work that way, I believe. So I'm gonna work on a mount for that, and when I figure that out, I will report back. But yeah, that's why I'm not putting them on, because I do not want them stationary mounted. I don't like the look of that. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Hit the thumbs up, notification bell for more. I appreciate you guys for watching. Creek Life, baby. Peace.